Welcome to Hero Academy. Hi, I'm Wandra, your English tutor. In the previous video, we had fun with finger rhymes. And now in this session, we'll get to know number rhymes. What is a number rhyme? A number rhyme is a short, simple poem or a chant that uses numbers and rhyming words to help children learn to count and remember number order. The purposes of number rhymes are to make learning numbers fun, to improve memory and rhythm awareness. Next, to make you remember to count forwards and backwards. And the last one is to develop your listening and speaking skills. Now, before we continue to have a number rhyme, you can leave your comment here, give it a like, subscribe, and share this post. Okay, let's have fun and do a number rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Now, do you want another number rhyme? Let's do it. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indians, boy. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.